Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I'm gonna show you a simple technique how you can make at least $100 or depending on your position size even a couple of $1,000 or $10,000 every day using 3 indicators, and you don't have to be an expert at charting techniques or anything like this, okay? So a little proof that it works. Here you can see my current positions here over on Phemex. As you can see right now we have about $2,800 in profit, and over here on Bybit about $2,400 in profit. So altogether over $5,000 in profit. And let me show you how I do this. First of all, you need a TradingView account. You can check the link in the description. And also, if you don't know how to trade on Bybit or on Phemex, check also the links in the description. There will be my trading tutorials for these 2 platforms, and also there are 2 great deposit bonuses right now for Phemex and for Bybit, where you can deposit some crypto and you will get a bonus for this. So check the links and let's go. So first of all, we need a TradingView account, okay? If you go to TradingView, this is how it's gonna look like, okay? You can use a free account, but you will get some ads on this account and you don't have all the features, but for this now it's okay. So this is how it looks like. Then we go to chart, okay? And first of all, it will look like this. Then we want to type in, let's say, Bitcoin USD, and here you choose the platform that you are going to use. Let's say Bybit, okay? So what I like to do first is change the layout here. So we want this to be dark, and you can change some other settings like the language and stuff like this here, okay? So as you can see, this is the daily time frame, and here's the first ad. If you sign up to a premium account, you won't get any ads. So depending on the time frame that you want to trade, you choose it here, and we start with the 15-minute time frame, okay? So the first thing that we need is we go here, and here we can choose the indicators. We are going to use the EMA, okay? And we change the setting here to 50-day time frame, okay? 50-day time frame. And then we're going to do the same indicator again, okay? EMA. And we are going to change the setting here to 100-day, okay? Why is this? Because we want to see if the market is right now in an uptrend or in a downtrend, okay? If the 50 EMA crosses the 100 EMA, as you can see here, for example, then we are in an uptrend. On the other hand, if the blue line, for example, if we go back here, crosses the green line to the downside, then we are in a downtrend, as you can see here. The price is going down, 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 as you can see. And here we are crossing up again, and we are in an uptrend. So, first of all, we want these 2 indicators, and we want to know, is the market in an uptrend or in a downtrend? So, the next indicator that we're going to use is the stochastic RSI. Bam, and here we have it. So, I'm not going to talk about all the details, how these indicators work. You just have to know how they work so that you can make money, okay? So, as you can see here, we want to take short positions if we are in a downtrend, and we want to take long positions if we are in an uptrend, okay? So let's take this time frame here, for example. We know, okay, this line crosses up here, so we are in an uptrend. So, and the stochastic RSI, if we are below the 20, we are in an oversold area. And if you are above the 80 line, we are in an overbought area. So in an uptrend, we want to take long positions. So we see we are in an uptrend here, okay? Because the blue line crosses above the green line. So, and then down here, I'm going to zoom in here a little bit that you can see it. Here we want to wait until we are in the oversold area here, and the blue line should cross the orange line, okay? The blue line has to cross the orange line, then we are going to open a long position. So we're, first step, uptrend, okay? Second step, we are in an oversold area, and we want the stochastic RSI, we want the blue line to cross the orange line, okay? So we are going to open a long position here. As you can see, the price at the opening was 61,871, and we are going to close our position if we are in an overbought area and the blue line crosses the orange line to the downside. So as you can see, this is at 62,921 and we opened at 61,871. This means we made a profit of about $1,100 dollar here. I mean, not dollar, it depends on your position size, but Bitcoin made the price move of about $1,100. So this is always the same like this. Let's check this here. So again, we don't want to make a short position here. We want to make a long position because we are in an uptrend, okay? So uptrend, long position, this means we are going to wait until we hit the oversold area here, yeah? And then we are going to wait until the blue line crosses the orange line. So another example, let's check this here, oversold. We're going to open a long position here at 62,661. We are going to wait until we are coming up here to the overbought area. We wait until the blue line crosses the orange line, and as you can see, we're at about 63,000. So we made the price move of about $1,400, okay? And depending on your position size, if you took those two trades, you will have a profit of a couple of $100 or $1,000 or $10,000 depending on your position size, okay? So this is how we're going to do this, and the same goes if we are in a downtrend, you know, then we're going to take short positions, okay? If we're in a downtrend, then if we are in a downtrend, yeah, these are actually all uptrends here. But if you go back and we look for a downtrend, also all uptrends here. Let's take this here for example. We had a cross here. The blue line moves down here. So we are in a downtrend. And what we want to do here is we want to take short positions, okay? This means we are going to wait until we are, first step, we are in a confirmed downtrend, okay? Then we are going to wait until we are in an overbought area like this. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. Overbought here. And then we are going to wait until the blue line crosses the orange line, okay? Like this. And we are going to open a short position, okay? A short position. The price was at 43,151, okay? And we are going to close the position when we are in an oversold area and the blue line crosses above the orange line, okay? This is 42,137, and we opened the short at about $43,300, as you can see. So this was a pretty nice trade over, let's say, a $1,200 price move, and also depending on your position size, you made a lot of profit. So this is how it works. All you have to do is use those three indicators, open a TradingView account, and then you're good to go. I wish you all the best and a lot of profit. See you.